Hello everyone, this is Snazzle, and in this video I'm gonna explain you guys about coding. So in this video we are jumping into the coding part, and I'm going to explain about RAG only using LangChain. Okay, so in my previous video I implemented RAG, but I created a written workflow of RAG. Okay, I used Pinecone as vector store and recursive text suite for chunking, and Olama for LLM. So let's start the video. So see, I have used that LangChain framework, okay, for creating the RAG. So first you have to, and one more thing, I'm using UV. Okay, I have already created a video on UV. So it's a very fast and very awesome what called project manager, you can say, or a Python project manager. So you guys can use this. Okay, so see, I use free API and LLM model or open source model or embedding model. Okay, I don't use OpenAI because it costs something which I can't afford for now. Okay, that's why. So let's get started. Yeah, so you can see here, first you have to install the LangChain community. It's a new, earlier we used to install only LangChain and LangChain dependencies, but now many dependencies came in the LangChain community. Okay, so you have to install, since we are using Grok API and Grok model, so that's why we have to use that LangChain Grok and Grok python.env. Okay, and yeah, run it. Okay, so Python environment is this, and after that, once you install this all, and one more thing, Python dot in environment, in the sense ki we are keeping our APIs. Okay, whether it is related to our LLM API like Grok API, so that's why we needed this. Okay, so from .env import load .env, wherever you will keep your dot environment API, it will detect that. Okay, here I kept, it's free only, so you can go and create a API key and copy and paste, and after that you have to load it, and these are the syntax you can follow for loading the Grok API. And after that we are doing the ingestion part. Ingestion in the sense ki whatever you are going to ingest your data. Okay, so I kept my data in the data set in the data file. This is the data file. So I am taking first text file, after that I'll create RAG using a PDF also, and after that other like Excel, MS, and doc file. Okay, but for now I'm just using this text. Okay, so I have created this. I just told ChatGPT to create this text. So yeah, this is the data set. Okay, and I'll show you how my RAG is working actually, and how you can tweak with this data set, and how you can make the LLM confused or your model confused. Okay, confused. Okay, so see, um so I just told how to make your model confused. I just told so that you will tweak in the question. Okay, and you will ask to the RAG, and whether your RAG is able to answer or not, it will decide its flexibility, how your RAG is actually. Okay, so hope you understand. So see, this is the ingestion part, and after that uh, you have to use this document loader for text loader, because after ingesting you have to load this. So LangChain community give this what they call syntax, and after that, see, here we initialize it, and here you have to load your text. Okay, and since it is in text, so you have to apply this UTF-8, and after that we created the loader, and after that loader.load we kept in our documents, and after that you can see the length. I forgot to run this. Yeah, so here You can see the length of the document. So only one